Hello everybody, Joel here. So I'm in my 2005 F-150 and the gear shift indicator light is out. And maybe some of you, if you have this vehicle, maybe bought it used and don't know that there is a gear shift indicator light. There is one in there, illuminates the letters, the indicating letters. And this one has burnt out. So I understand that it is a Sylvania or any bulb. It's a 194. So I did find this Sylvania at Fleet Farm, and I switched to an LED. Figured this was a good time. I could start switching some of these over to LEDs. I do need to get another lamp for up here. I've got one burnt out, so I'll switch them all out to LEDs. We'll see how that looks. But I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get this compartment open. Had another F-150 with similar gear shifter, so I believe we just have to take this open. I think I pried up on this corner last time that I had to get into one of these. Yeah, that pretty much gets us in there. Ashtray popped closed again. Okay, set that aside, and the light bulb should be under here somewhere. Let's take a look. What do we got for wiring in there? Here's a wire. There must be a light bulb at the end of that. It's right on the edge here. Oh, there we go. Just a little quarter turn and it pops right out. Okay, and it's a flat lamp. You don't have to spin it or anything. It just pulls right straight out. So we'll get that pulled out of there. Okay. Okay, new lamp installed. And let's see if we can get it back up into this housing. Okay, there we have it installed. Let's see if we get some light. No light. Okay, the light didn't work the first time, so I don't think I had it inserted quite all the way. Seems to work fine now. So get that put back in and then we'll check it out. We got it put back together. Let's see what we got. There we go. And there we go. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.